The next concept we'll learn about is oxidation number. Sometimes it's also known as oxidation state. Oxidation number or oxidation state. What is oxidation number? It's the number of electrons that are involved in a reaction, or that are involved when two elements A and B react together or form a molecule together. Very general. The reason I'm saying they are involved, number of electrons involved, is because sometimes some elements give out electrons, some elements share electrons, right? So number of electrons involved. So what is this oxidation number? It's almost like a charge, but oxidation number is calculated for every element, not the overall. So for example, sulfate ion, right? The charge is 2-, but each element will have its own oxidation number. Couple of things you have to remember. Hydrogen has always an oxidation number of +1, except in hydrides. In hydrides, it will have an oxidation number of -1. Okay. Oxygen always has an oxidation number of -2, except in peroxides. In peroxides, oxygen has an oxidation number of -1. Group 1 elements, always 1. Group 2 elements, always 2 oxidation number. So group 1 and group 2. And D block have oxidation number that change every time. And same thing with P block. So if it is D block or P block, we have to calculate the oxidation number. So for example, if I ask you to calculate the oxidation number of sulfur in sulfate ion, oxidation number of sulfur in sulfate ion, oxidation number of individual atoms, sum of oxidation number of individual atoms is equal to overall charge. So how does it work in this case? Oxidation number of sulfur, which I am going to say that is X. Oxidation number of oxygen is -2. So -2, there are 4 oxygens, is equal to -2. And this -2 is coming from here. This -2 is coming from the rule that oxygen is always having an oxidation number of -2. So X will be equal to +6. So the oxidation number of sulfur in sulfate ion is +6.